Hi guys, we are back with another video. So today's topic is about top 4 mid-meal snacks that you can add in your diet on your fat loss journey so that you can just fill your stomach and you can push yourself. So as you know that for a fat loss journey, you have to stay on a calorie deficit. You have to stay uh, low on calories, and at the same time you have to fill yourself up. So how do we do it? And now I'll give you top 4. So how to do it? So you have to add snacks in between. Snacks so that you can push yourself to your next meal. And that's how it takes, hour by hour. Fat loss journey is about hour by hour, not months by month. It's hour by hour. So I'll give you the top 4 tastiest snacks you can add in your diet. So starting from the first, we will start with highest number of calories first and then come down to the lowest. So stay tuned. So first is Rhine. Rhine is a company. Protein bars. Protein bars. You can have any protein bar, but make sure it has no preservatives, no additives, no sugar. That's it. Plain protein bar. And that's why I've chosen Rhine protein bar because it has the best taste ever. I've tried all the protein bars. It has the best taste ever in Indian market, and it's 100% natural. It has 14 gram of protein. And speaking about the calories, the calories are 240 calories in one single bar. But I cannot have more than half a bar. So because after having those half a bar, you don't feel like eating more because it gives me a feeling that I am done. Like I have controlled my hunger now. I don't need to have more. So I have two. I have one protein bar for 2 days. So hence the calories are 120. It has 7 gram of protein in one serving of half. 7 gram of protein. Carbs are negligible. 7 gram of carbs. 8 gram of carb because we deducted fibers. So hence there are 7 gram of carb, and fat is 6 gram. 6 gram of fat, and that's it. This is my one key that I always had in any fat loss diet. You have to add this. The second one, coming to watermelon. Watermelon is really low in calories. It is so rich, like so many benefits. You know it because high in fibers, high in potassium, high in water, and lots of benefits you can have. So watermelon is really low in calories. This serving of watermelon has 90 calories. That's it. 300 gram of watermelon, 90 calories. It is sufficient. Sometimes you can have more. You can fill the bowl up. How much? 90 plus 60 calories, 150 calories. That's it. 160 calories, 150 calories. What will, like, this is the best. I prefer watermelon over any fruit because strawberries you don't find nowadays, like seasonal. It is very seasonal. Watermelon is available 24. It's available 365 days. Third, coming on to is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is very important for any vegetarian, first of all, and it has good bacteria for your gut, for your digestion. It is really important. And Greek yogurt, one serving of 100 gram. 100 gram is enough, guys. You don't need to have more. 100 gram has only 75 calories, just 75, and there is no sugar. Protein is around 8 gram of protein, carbs 6 gram of carbs, and fat is 2 gram, negligible. So I highly recommend add 3 qubit in your diet if you're vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Any 1 serving, 2 servings a day. And I'll give you a recipe. Frozen banana. Take 1 frozen banana and take 3 qubit. Blend it in a mixer or food processor, and then freeze it again. It will give you the exact taste of one ice cream, and it will be, and add some stevia. Stevia is a natural sweetener. You'll find it in the market, and it will give you exact taste of ice cream. You'll love it, I'm saying. The last, coming on to the fourth one, is my all-time favorite in terms of calories: coffee. Yeah, guys, coffee. So this coffee, people will say, no, it has caffeine, I won't take it. Guys, 2 teaspoons of coffee a day will not harm you in any possible way. I assure you. Ask doctor also if you want. 3-4 teaspoons a day of coffee, it does nothing. Why I suggest coffee? Because coffee has caffeine. Moderate amount of caffeine, very less. So it gives signal to your brain, and your brain releases neurotransmitters, and which the neurotransmitters, they suppress hunger. So coffee is proven by science, hunger suppressor. It suppresses hunger, and it's really tasty. Obviously, you know coffee. But now I'll tell you, 100 ml of slim milk, any slim milk, any brand, has 30 calories. Add 100 ml of water, 0 calories. Add 2 stevia tablets. Stevia is natural, sugar free, and 2 tablets won't cause any cancer, don't worry. And coffee is 0 calories. So in total 30 calories of one single meal, which will fill you up. I assure you, because I've tried it on myself. I drink it every single day. I love coffee, and I love tea also. You can have tea or coffee, and it really gives you a very good feeling. You can have 2 servings of coffee a day in between meals. So yeah, that's it, guys. This was a video about my top 4 snacks which I always have in my diet, so that I fill myself up and push myself to get really shredded. Thank you, guys. Thank you for seeing the video. Stay tuned for next one. Like, share and subscribe.